Whoa, this is a big box. I'm going to do this shaky vision because quite frankly this is a big box for a game to come in. I've already taken the liberty of ripping the top bit open somewhat. Die! Haha, we're in. Alright, let's get the game out. One-handed. Oh, blimey. Sweet. See if there's anything else in here. Yay! Nah, just the info and the wrap. Okay, the bubble stuff. Da-da-da-da. Mortal Kombat Collector's Edition, which is exclusive from Game, I believe. Exclusive, and also you can play as Kratos, or however you want to pronounce this son of a gun. Oh, you can see me. Oh, the horror. It's been a long day for me. I've just been up the job centre and it's hot as hell. Look at this for a box. Put me back 50 quid, which normally I don't spend this amount of money on the collector's edition stuff, but I couldn't pass up on this. I really couldn't. So now I'm going to get it out the box, which means I'm going to do some cutting. God, it has that new box smell. Let's get stuff out. First out is the game itself, Mortal Kombat. Sweet. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to wait a bit to play this today because I've got Bubsy 3D to film and snookers on. God, I can't wait to play this. I loved the demo of it. Next out is the art of Mortal Kombat. Nice, let's just put this down for a minute. Got the game there. Nice hard cover. Look at that cover, look at the artwork on that cover, that is sweet. Totally black background, but that is a sweet cover. Let's just have a look at a few pages. Nice. Shows you the characters. Katana. Let's go to one more. Oh, there's more stuff in the back. Colosseum. God, I mean, this stuff looks awesome. Gonna have a good look through of this later on. Just giving you a little sneak peek. The Crypt. Nice. And one more. Look at that. Look at that. Almost looks like a face hugger hatching from an egg and alien. Oh, hello. The cast of crew. The people who made it. Do 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 do. Good on you, peoples. Good on you. Cool, I'm going to have a good look through that later on. There's one nice art book. Of course, the art book isn't the only thing to come with the game. And this overly awesome box. Trying to get this out one-handed is not easy. Careful, careful. Let's make a mess. Of course we get the statue of Scorpion and Sub-Zero fighting. This is the main reason I paid out the 50 quid. Plastic, nice. Rubbery feel to the characters. Half expected it to be plastic as well, actually. Look at that. The guts, the gore. Look at the detail as well. That's awesome. Well, this is just a quick unboxing of what you can expect if you buy the collector's edition of Mortal Kombat. Of course, we also get Kratos. Everyone gets him, I suppose. I think there's some other things I get as well, like a promotional code or something. I don't know. Maybe in the actual game. Oh, the goodies you get for 50 quid. I love it. So I'm going to go film some Bubsy 3D, have a shave, watch some snooker, and then play this. Awesome. See you soon. Oh, okay, I just saw this right at the bottom of the box. Classic character costume. Nice. And on here is some codes for avatars and stuff, and there's also codes on the back of this.